In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Gemini AI by Google. So the way you do this is simply typing in Gemini inside Google, and then the first website that pops up is from gemini.google.com, and it says Gemini, chat to supercharge your ideas. And you want to click on this link. And now you see you are on this website, okay? If you're not logged into Google, you can log in over here with your Gmail account or just create one, which is very simple to do, and you're ready to go. And what you then want to click is chat with Gemini. And then you have to read terms and privacy. So you have to read about your data and Gemini apps. So you can scroll over and read all the things on your screen and then click on I agree. And once you've done this, you can stay updated with Gemini improvements and opt to receive email updates about Gemini apps whether you want to. I'm not going to click it right now, and I'm going to press continue. And there we go. As you can see, what it says over here is hello instant, how can I help you today? Okay, since that's the Gmail I'm logged in right now. And as you can see the latest updates on Gemini Apps Privacy Hub over here. You want to click on this and you'll be taken to the exact update page. Okay, you can check that out if you want to. Now, the usage of Gemini is very simple. All you want to do is simply go down here to where it says enter a prompt here and just ask it anything you'd like. Okay, so as you can see, there are some examples over here. You can just simply click on or edit, and it works very well. So I am going to just ask it something to show you how it's done. So you simply type in, let's say, what's the longest river in the world, and press enter. And as you can see, it's going to start loading up and searching the internet. And as you can see, it found out that it's officially the Nile River, that is the longest river in the world. And it also gives you some other kind of search-related topics, and you can tell it if it's a good response, a bad response, or you can modify the response, so you can make it shorter, longer, simpler, more casual, or more professional. You can also share or export to docs, as you can see, or draft it in Gmail, which is very, very handy. Or you can also double check response by clicking over here. Now you also have this more options right here where you can copy and report a legal issue. Okay, so if you click copy, you can simply copy everything in here, or you can just simply highlight it and then copy it that way. So as you can see, it says show drafts and hide drafts over here on the top. And if you click this, you'll be able to see different drafts that Gemini kind of created, and you can just simply click on each and every single one, and you'll be able to see that the text is different, and Gemini then chooses one that thinks will suit you the best. Okay, now over here, as you can see, some things are kind of highlighted in green. If you expand these, you'll be given the source from where Gemini took its information, and you can also go to the website by simply clicking on it, as you can see, and you'll get to know everything and more that you'd like, which is very, very good. Now, if you don't like any of these drafts or any of its messages, you can also press regenerate drafts over here, and it will regenerate drafts for you and make 3 new ones. Okay, so as you can see, it gave us a bit of a different pattern right now. Pattern. Now, if you go to show drafts, as you can see, there's 3 more right now. Now you can also listen to what it said. So let's say I want to listen to this first draft. You click on listen.
The title of the world's longest river is a bit contentious.
And as you can see, it reads it out loud. Now you can type a prompt, as I told you before, or you can use your microphone to kind of tell it what you'd like to know. So for this to work, you want to click on the microphone and then click allow on every visit or allow this time. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to click allow this time. And then you want to simply tell it what you want to. As you can see, I'm currently narrating this video and it's typing in exactly what I'm saying. Okay. Now if I stop and I click over here, it's going to stop listening to me. And there we go. As you can see, it wrote in basically the exact same thing I just said, and then you can simply submit it and it's going to give you an answer. I'm not going to do this since it's just some random text. Or what's very handy, you can also upload in an image, and as you can see, You can review your uploaded images in your pinned and recent chats in Gemini. You can delete your prompts, deletes images, etc. Okay, and you can simply press don't show again and then got it. And now when you click upload images, you can simply upload in anything you'd like, okay? And it's going to analyze the images and tell you the specific or different information you'd like to get out of them. So that's pretty much it. That's the basic usage of Gemini. Now you can also create new chats by clicking this new chat plus button over here. It's going to give you a completely fresh chat. Now if you want to see let's say I want to type in hello over here, so it just says something. There we go. Now if you click these expand menu kind of lines over here, as you can see, it's going to give you all your recent chats. So here's my Nile River chat, so the first one we were working with, and here's the friendly greeting one where I just typed in hello, and that's pretty much it. Now over here, as you can see, it says Gemini, and there's an arrow next to it. If you click on that, you can switch between Gemini and Gemini Advanced. So if you click on upgrade, Gemini Advanced is basically a more advanced model of Gemini, and as you can see, you can get it and more with a Google One AI premium plan, which is basically free for the first 2 months, and then you have to pay 22 euros or whatever that is in dollars after that. And yeah, you can start the trial, test it out. If you like it, you can use it, but if you don't, you can just simply use the free version, but you don't have all those features over here which come with the premium account. Now what's in here as well is the help button. So if you click on the help button, you can see all the updates, the frequently asked questions about Gemini Advanced. You can get some help or check the privacy hub. And if you go inside activity over here, it's going to give you, as you can see, your Gemini apps activity, and you can scroll down and you're going to see all your activity connected to Gemini apps. And now inside settings down here, you can add in different extensions. So if you click on here and click dismiss, as you can see, there are a bunch of extensions you can add in here, and it helps you bring it all together, as it says right here. Okay, now if you go back to settings, you can also check your public links. So you can share chats and individual prompts and responses, and yeah, you can access all of these in here. You can kind of alternate between the dark theme and the light theme, and then if you want real-time responses, you can have this checked, which is the default version, but if you don't, just simply untick it and that's it. So that's all the kind of the basic usages of Gemini, of Google Gemini AI, and that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it helped you out, and if it did, make sure to subscribe to the channel.